Hi! Hello world! In here, Halle Berry is pretty wise. The actress recently chatted about the perception of aging and the unfair beauty standards she has seen throughout her life. When asked how she navigated beauty standards given that she is grown up in an intense limelight, Halle shared she is long to hear compliments other than she's pretty. I have always known that I'm more than the shell that I walk around in, she told Fortune magazine. As I have aged, I have been determined to age gracefully and naturally. It's a shame that as women, we are being told that we have to find a way to stay eternally young, forever 30, as though we are not allowed to be human and do what we are naturally born to do. We are born to age and die, Halle added. Somehow, as women, we have to do the unthinkable. We have to figure out a way to do it, and unfortunately, we are turning ourselves into monsters trying to do that, Halle added. So I'm committed to being a spokesperson for allowing yourself to age gracefully. It's Halle's empowering journey to age gracefully. Thank you, Fortune Magazine and Entertainment Tonight. Good day, everyone. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.